Want to start a business in UAE with 100% ownership, low cost and zero complications? Ajman FreeZone might be the smartest place to begin. I am Neha from RadiantBiz, and in this video, I'll walk you through what Ajman FreeZone is, why it's gaining popularity among entrepreneurs, and how you can set up your company step by step. As we go ahead, let's start with the basics. What is Ajman Free Zone? Ajman Free Zone is one of the UAE's established free zone designed to support startups, SMEs, and international investors. It offers a business-friendly environment with simplified regulations, making it easier to start and operate a company. Located near Ajman Port and within close proximity to Dubai and Sharjah, it provides strong connectivity for trade, logistics, and services. Why should you choose Ajman Free Zone? Ajman Free Zone stands out for 100% foreign ownership, cost-effective setup, multiple business activities, fast company formation, visa eligibility, flexible office solutions, strategic locations. This combination makes Ajman Free Zone a practical choice for entrepreneurs looking to enter the UAE market with lower risk and high flexibility. Process. The setup process in Ajman Free Zone is structured yet straightforward when handled correctly. Here's how it works. Step 1. Define your business activity. Choose the exact nature of your business, whether it is trading, consultancy, e-commerce, or services, as this determines your license type. Step 2. Select license type. Based on your activity, select the appropriate license category along with your operational requirements, such as visa eligibility and workspace needs. Step 3. Documentation submission. Submit the required documents including passport copies, visa copies, passport size photographs, and application forms. Step 4. License issuance. Once approved by the authority, your trade license is issued and this officially registers your company. Step 5. Establishment card and visa processing. Now you can apply for your establishment card followed by residency visas for business owners and employees. Step 6. Corporate bank account setup. After company formation, proceed with opening a corporate bank account to begin business operations. With proper guidance, this entire process can be completed efficiently, even if you are not physically present in the UAE. Ajman Free Zone is one of the most cost-effective ways to enter the UAE market. Now, the step is simple. Book your free consultation with RadiantBiz and we will handle everything for you from setup to banking. For more such informative videos, hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next one.